it reaches the peak, it starts from here, then it goes upwards, now it reaches the peak, it again stops here, it is at rest, it is the Shiva. And it again starts moving, it is the Shakti, then and again Shiva. So this Shiv Shakti 0-1 cycle keeps going. It Hello friends, in this video I will give you the realization, the feeling of 0, 1 and infinite, the three most fundamental reality as said by IIT Baba. Media named him IIT Baba, his original name is Abhay Singh. So he created a video that I will show you now.
एक शून्य है, एक इकाई है और एक अनंत है। शून्य है, जीरो, इकाई एक, अनंत इन्फिनिटी, 0 1 इन्फिनिटी। अब ये जो 1 है ये एक्चुअली 0 और इन्फिनिटी के बीच में कोई भी वैल्यू हो सकती है। मान दूसरा तरीका क्या है कि सबसे पहले तो तुम्हारी जितनी वैल्यू है तुम उसको समझ लो। मान लो मेरी 30 भी वैल्यू है कि मैं 30 को समझ गया और फिर मैंने -30 समझ लिया। -30 मतलब कि मैंने 0 समझ लिया। यदि मैंने -30 समझ लिया और मैंने 30 को समझ लिया तो मैंने इन्फिनिटी को समझ लिया। इसको लाइक मैथमेटिकली भी प्रूव किया जा सकता है।
So he explicitly mentions 0, 1 and infinite. This 0, 1 and infinite is present everywhere in the universe, and I will give you that realization today to feel it by yourself that 0, 1 and infinite is nothing but the you. Let's first start with the number system. So there is a whole number system. There is 0 and there is 1 as a number, and the whole number system we treat it as infinite because we don't know where it starts and where does it end. So to realize the 0, the nothingness, what you can do is just hold your breath for some seconds until you can, and when you will hold your breath there will be no thought, there will be no any desire, nothing. There is absolute nothingness. There's no any bias, prejudices, any kind of unnecessary chattering in your mind. When you end up to that state where there is absolute nothingness, still you know you exist, and that is the consciousness. That is because of consciousness, because you are consciousness, I am consciousness, and everyone is consciousness. So that feeling of being, that consciousness that still exists, and that feeling is the 0, that is the Shiva, then that is you. Then the desire is created in that consciousness. There is some desire to achieve, to do something, to create something, or simple wants, needs, and so on and so forth. So there is a desire, and because of that desire there is a vibration in that consciousness. So initially that consciousness was vibrationless, that is 0, vibrationless consciousness. Now some vibration is created in that consciousness, that became vibrating consciousness. I should not use that word, rather it is a Shakti, it is one, it is unit. And there is, so initially it was 0, and then it took a form of some number, and that is Shakti. But you know that 0 and 1 is a part of infinite number system. So Shiva and the Shakti, you as a Shiva, the consciousness, and the Shakti, the desires, the matrix, the simulation, the whole universe. This, when combined together, forms the infinite universe, the infinite existence, consciousness, bliss. That is the Brahman, that is the infinite, as per the Vedanta. So to realize that Brahman, to realize that infinite, you have to do yoga, not yoga, it's the yoga. So you have to do yoga. You have to unite that Shiva and the Shakti within you, the masculine part of you and the feminine part of you within you. You have to merge them together. You have to do union of them to realize the absolute. You are the absolute existence, ultimate consciousness bliss, and that is the infinite. Another way you can understand this is by a waveform. Sine wave, cosine wave, you know basically what is wave. There is this kind of pattern that occurs in the wave. So whenever a particle is at its initial position, completely at rest, so there is no vibration, that is Shiva. And when it starts vibrating, it moves upwards. There is a vibration in this time period, so it starts moving upward, and that is the Shakti. There is a vibration, and when it reaches the peak, it starts from here, then it goes upwards. Now it reaches the peak, it again stops here, it is at rest, it is the Shiva, and it again starts moving, it is the Shakti, then in again Shiva. So this Shiv Shakti 0 1 cycle keeps going it, and it goes till infinite, and this whole system, this whole waveform is the Brahman, is the infinite. I I hope you understood what I said, and this is all my personal interpretation, and I think it is the appropriate explanation for what he said. And whatever the media have had opinion about him, let's not discuss about it. So thank you so much for watching this video.